Samsung is gearing up for the imminent launch of its Galaxy S24 series, bringing an end to a year filled with speculations and leaks. Recent reports suggest that the Samsung Galaxy Unpacked event is slated for mid-January, where 3 models are anticipated: the Samsung Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, and Galaxy S24 Ultra. Despite earlier leaks suggesting satellite connectivity for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, a new report indicates that this feature is unlikely to be present, differentiating it from the iPhone 15 Pro Max. As per a report from IT News, the anticipated release of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is expected to happen earlier than speculated, leading to the exclusion of satellite connectivity. Despite persistent rumors about this feature being added to the Galaxy S series since the previous year, the Galaxy S23 Ultra did not incorporate it. Although there was anticipation for the inclusion of this feature in the upcoming Galaxy S24 Ultra, the chances of its inclusion appears to be minimal, according to the report. For those who are unaware, the anticipated satellite connectivity feature on the Galaxy S24 Ultra was envisioned to operate similarly to emergency SOS via satellite. This functionality could potentially enable users to reach out to emergency services in critical situations, particularly in instances where regular network connectivity is unavailable. There is speculation suggesting that the soon-to-be-released flagship smartphone, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, could come equipped with a titanium frame aligning with the build quality of its competitors, the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max. Additionally, potential features include a flatter display, a more advanced chipset, and an enhanced 50MP 5x telephoto camera. According to the report, the flagship smartphone may be offered in 4 distinct color options: titanium black, titanium gray, titanium violet, and titanium yellow. Additionally, it is anticipated to sport a more level 6.8-inch QHD Plus display with a refresh rate of up to 120 Hz. Furthermore, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is expected to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, promising a substantial enhancement in its overall performance. In addition to these specifications, the quad-camera setup on the rear is expected to comprise a 200MP main camera, a 12MP ultra-wide lens, a 10MP 3x zoom lens, and a 50MP 5x periscope lens. The smartphone is likely to feature 12GB of RAM across all its storage configurations. In terms of connectivity, it may come equipped with Wi-Fi 7 and ultra-wideband UWE. As the Samsung Galaxy S24 series launch approaches, enthusiasts eagerly anticipate its features, such as the potential titanium frame and advanced camera setup. With the absence of satellite connectivity, the device's focus seems to shift towards other innovations. If the Galaxy S24 Ultra indeed comes with a titanium frame, how do you think this material choice might impact the overall durability and feel of the smartphone? Let us know in the comment section. Hope you liked and subscribed to this channel. I will see you in next one.